All right. Welcome to Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. This is Crypto and Coffee, your morning jolt of financial markets, crypto, equities, oil, metals. We talk about a little bit of everything here. Trying to help you get through the craziness that is going on right now. I'm coming to you live from beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Just joking. I'm in the dungeon, just doing my thing, going over the markets. Let's jump right in. Before we do, though, if you're new to crypto, be sure to go check out my website. A lot of free information there, galactictrust.com. You can go check out a presentation I did where I believe in the next 2 to 5 years, you could turn $1,000 into $1 million or more investing into digital assets. And go ahead and get my free ebook, Crypto Investor Secrets, How to Capitalize on the Greatest Investment Opportunity in History. Again, everything is free. Links are in the description below. Crypto, Bitcoin up 2%, sitting at $68.97, almost $6,900. Ethereum up 3.7%, sitting at $159. And rounding up the top three, XRP up 1% at 18.5 cents. Total market cap sitting at $197 billion. Bitcoin dominance still sitting at 64%. Things have really not moved that much in the crypto space. As we can see, still massive investment opportunities. We are still down. I mean, there's almost no point in going over this every single day. Because, but in crypto, things can happen really fast. So definitely be sure to like and subscribe if you like this information. Let's hop right into the charts. So as I've said, still really flat. In fact, now we're kind of rolling over. Again, I'm really just watching to see what's going to happen. I think in every market, we got another kind of panic move coming. I don't, just based on what I've seen, all the people that I watch and follow, we're far from out of the woods with this whole cerveza virus thing going around. And you can see we're just really struggling, just really bouncing up against that 50-day moving average. It's pretty good stuff in the news today, though. Chart pattern resurfaces that saw Bitcoin plunge from 10K to 3,600. So again, chart pattern. The Bitcoin price remains vulnerable to a pullback after ranging between 6,900 and 6,500 for the past 4 days. Traders say that the pattern that caused Bitcoin to plunge from 10,500 to 3,600 is playing out again. So we'll see if that pattern repeats. If it does, again, great buying opportunity. Down days are just great buying opportunities. You got to be a long-term perspective in this new emerging technology and asset class. This was an interesting headline. Bitcoin will follow Ethereum and move to proof of stake, says Bitcoin Swiss founder. Very interesting. Nicole Jessen, the founder of Swiss crypto broker Bitcoin Suisse, predicts will move to proof of stake once the Ethereum network has proved the algorithm's success. That would be very interesting to see Bitcoin go to proof of stake and potentially start paying staking rewards in Bitcoin. That'd be pretty freaking sweet, don't you think? And we can see more and more in this asset class that things are really moving to paying interest, paying dividends to holders. I talk about it all the time. I love the Celsius network. I'm a big investor in EOS, the EOS network, which is a competitor to Ethereum. I mean, I've got coins staked on all sorts of platforms on the EOS network, paying, I mean, I was just checking it today. I mean, in fact, I'll pull it up right here. Is this right here? I'm making 14% return on my EOS, and right here, 21% APR on another coin. So that's, I mean, that's incredible stuff. If you'd like to learn more, be sure to comment down in the comments and I'll make a video showing you all of the different passive income projects that I've been testing and working on for years now, past couple years. Okay, moving on again to the charts, Ethereum, same thing, you know, just same old story, like that Aerosmith song, you know, same old story, same old song and dance. Okay, again, just being rejecting at these moving averages. I really don't think that there's a lot of new money coming in to the market right now. You probably got a lot of people around the world really scared. There's a lot of uncertainty in the world right now. And so people are holding onto their cash because cash is survival right now. Cash is king right now. Okay. See if we saw anything we're talking about. We've seen this now twice. U.S. Treasury approves Square as coronavirus stimulus lender. So the Bitcoin-friendly company behind the Cash App, Square, announced Monday it's participating in the U.S. government's emergency paycheck protection program. This $350 billion lending program for small businesses provides loans that keep employees on payroll for at least 2 months as part of the $2.3 trillion stimulus package approved by Congress. PayPal and Intuit, maker of QuickBooks, are the other fintech firms included in the program. This is some information that I've been seeing over the past few days, where now fintech companies like Square, Cash App, Venmo, Twitter, all of these companies they're getting into the banking game. That's good for crypto. It's good for freedom. It's good for liberty. Not so good for the traditional system. But again, like it's a double-edged sword. Like they need this technology in order to survive, but this technology also decentralizes. So it's very, very interesting. Okay. Right here, the Great Lockdown, the IMF, the International Monetary Fund, is now confirming global recession. The coronavirus economic crisis officially has a name: the Great Lockdown. The Great Lockdown is the worst economic downturn since the Great Depression and far worse than the global financial crisis of 2008. International Monetary Fund chief economist Geeta Gopinath said on Tuesday. I'm way better at Indian names than, I'm sorry to say that. I don't know. She could be Pakistani. She could be who knows what. But anyways, I'm way better than that than European and Eastern European names. But anyways, moving on. XRP, same thing. Just not able to get over these moving averages. I think there's more downside. I'm holding patiently. I've got some good targets. And going back to Bitcoin, these are my target. These are my buy targets. So we're about, $5,600 and $4,700 respectively. These would be my two buying targets. I've got buy orders already set at these levels. So I'm just waiting. I am just waiting patiently. Bitcoin, XRP news, talked about all XRP liquidity indexes surging and breaking all-time highs. I talked about that yesterday. Again, fundamentals are moving forward. Fundamentals are advancing in this space. It's only a matter of time before the price catches up. It's only a matter of time. And that is one of the fundamentals of a long-term investor is patience. You've got to have that long-term time perspective. And really the baby today, maybe not so much. bet earlier, man, we were over 24,000, is the Dow Jones, the equities markets. Gosh, it blows. Every day you're going to hear me rant about equities because they're cheating. This is a cheating game. You know, you've got the Federal Reserve central bank, unlimited access to money, to cash resources. They're dumping it in. They're dumping it in. This is not a free market. This is not justice. This is a corrupt, fully corrupted, manipulated system. And so, gosh, that's part of my purpose here, is to take this thing down. And you'll see if you go to my website and you check out you can check out a presentation that I did. Actually, you can check it right here at this link. 1K to 1 million. Watch this video, watch this presentation, because I talk about this. Apple, Amazon, Facebook, all these companies, they are going to adopt cryptocurrency. There will come a day when the only way to buy an iPhone is with Apple coins. The only way to buy on Amazon was with the Amazon coin. These are already multi-trillion-dollar economies. Apple is an economy in and of itself. So naturally, if they were to create their own cryptocurrency, they're going to save potentially, countless millions and potentially billions of dollars in just processing fees, merchant fees, chargeback fees, all of these things. So it's only a matter of time before all the companies in the equities markets are going to convert over to the new technology. Just a matter of time. Dow jumps more than 300 points as coronavirus. Probably going to get freaking demonetized. We'll have to see. Cerveza virus outlook improves. That's funny. Stocks jumped on Tuesday as investors grew more optimistic about the coronavirus outlook. It's interesting how they use these words, investors. Are you investing? Are you investing in the stock market? Because the average American is flat broke. So when they're talking about investors, they're talking about, Ray Dalio. They're talking about billionaires. They're talking about huge investment firms. They're the ones trading. They're the ones investing, not you. They pay you a little pittance for, letting them gamble with your money. So very interesting. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rallied more than 300 points, or 1.5%. The S&P 500 climbed 1.9%, while the NASDAQ Composite advanced 2.6%. Okay, moving on to oil. Oil just turning over. Let's see where this is gonna go. Very interesting to watch things unfold. I'll put some news tomorrow on oil. I got to get that. I got to get the paid version. This is freaking amateur hour. Guys, sorry. Trying to build a business, trying to build a news network for you guys. I'm too busy, hanging out on the beach to pay for the pro version TradingView. So I'm sorry. I'll get to it. But gold, I think it talked about, right? Potentially. Gold has hit 7-year high, $1,700 per ounce. I love it. Now this is showing us where money is going. So this is actually showing us that smart money is now investing in these safe haven assets like gold, because something's coming. Something is coming. And same thing, silver looking good. Moving up, sitting at 1464. Very nice to see. So we see metals going up. All in all, equity's pretty flat. Oil's tanking. Oil's just been going down, and crypto's pretty much flat. And again, goldsilver.com. I'll put a link in the description as always, but go and get this book. It's free. It's a free book. And if you have an Audible account, you can get this book on Audible. Now, obviously, it's not free on Audible, but this is a phenomenal book. This will change your life because it will change your paradigm when it comes to investing. Let's see what Mike's got today. Goldman says downturn will be Here's something good. Goldman Sachs says downturn will be 4 times worse than housing crisis, then an unprecedented recovery. Interesting. I would love to get my hands on the crystal ball that they're using. The global economic hit from the cerveza virus crisis will be far worse in the near term than the financial crisis, according to Goldman Sachs. In the U.S., second quarter activity likely dropped 35%, while unemployment could hit 15%. However, the recovery in the second half of the year could be stronger than anything the U.S. has seen. Or it could continue, and it could be the worst thing the U.S. has ever seen. Okay? And then rounding it out, man, things are looking real good. Mirror Trading International, I've now been testing this for going on. This is now our second week. Their servers were down for some, in fact, it talks about it right here. Their server was down. I wonder if they fixed that server because they had maintenance yesterday. But anyways, if you're not a member of Mirror Trading, be sure to join my team. I'm on this journey with you, showing you what my intention is to make $1,000 per week with this process. You can see right now we're at 68,000, almost 69,000 Satoshi. So in the back office here, you can see, I mean, every day my payout results, 0.25%, almost 0.5%, almost 0.6, not a very good day there. And, 0.4% every single day. And it's just going to compound over and over and over again. So again, 68, almost 69,000 Satoshi that we've earned. I haven't done a single thing. All I did was deposited $200 worth of Bitcoin, which was zero. I'll show us here, 0.024. Now I'm at 0.03. So I'm now at, 3/10, actually 3/100 of a Bitcoin. So anyway, that's it for today. I hope that you enjoy this show. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Be sure to go ahead and comment in the comments below. What would you like to see? What are some video ideas? I've got a few ideas on some fundamentals videos, some educational type videos that I want to share with you guys, along with an idea I've had for about a year now. Should be pretty interesting. So definitely stay tuned to the channel. And if you're watching this on my personal channel, I have another channel, the Galactic Crypto Network YouTube channel that I'm building up. Soon I will be transferring all my crypto-based videos over to my crypto channel and leaving my personal channel for personal videos. So thanks so much for watching. See you tomorrow.